Hello and welcome to this CoinMetrics video about using the Thunder client for testing CoinMetrics APIs. There are three types of APIs in CoinMetrics: reference data, which is relatively static; catalog data, which will tell you the assets that are available, the metrics that are available, and what times they are available for, etc. And then the time series endpoints, which actually let you get the asset metrics that you're looking for. So today, rather than showing you Python code, I'm going to show you the Thunder client extension, which is compatible with VS Studio or Cursor. And I'm going to just show you a couple of API calls and see how that goes. So the extension allows you to just create a new request from scratch, or in my case, I'm going to use one that I prepared using the UI and then sticking it into a collection. So all you need to do really is enter a URL on the top and then enter an API parameter in the query parameters, API underscore key. And then I have chosen to pluck the API key from my environment variables, which means that I don't have to share it in this video. And the syntax for that is just double braces. So then by clicking send here, I can test the API effectively. I get a status 200 OK. It was 4.5 kilobytes and it took 270 milliseconds to get all the reference data for the assets, which is not much. It's just a mapping of an asset to a full name. So let's do reference data for the asset metrics. That will actually explain each and every metric, what it means. So it gives you the unique ID of the metric, the full name, and then a description, which product category it belongs to, etc. So this may be useful if you are exploring all the metrics that we have. And then the catalog. So the catalog, as I mentioned, allows you to see what's the availability of a particular metric. So in my case, I have now said I'm only interested in ETH, and that will give you all the metrics for ETH. So you see, for example, address, active 30-day count, 7-day count, blob count, etc. And then it tells you the frequency for which this is available, minimum time and maximum time. You can, instead of saying I want only ETH, you can say I want only this metric and then see which assets support it. Or you can not say anything, then you will get all the asset metrics. That is going to take just ever so little bit longer, so 2.5 seconds. 1.1 megabyte, that gives you all the asset metrics. And then finally, of course, you can actually request some specific asset metrics. Maybe we're gonna take one from our ETH set here. So maybe we actually want, this address 30 count. So then I just copy that metric name over here. And then that was one that was available at a daily resolution. And then I can maybe start getting that for January onwards. Here we go. So, actually I also need to check it to send it. And there we go, starting in January 2025. This is the address active 30-day count metric. And that almost concludes my demo. I actually also have, as a bonus, a WebSocket connection. So this one is a WebSocket connection to get market rates. And specifically, I'm looking here for a market on Binance, which is Solana against USDT. And so if I connect that, I actually get every single trade flowing through this WebSocket here. You can see that there are several trades a second. And you may use that to build some trading application for a particular market, or perhaps an arbitrage application that looks at trades on different markets and figures out how to beat the market. Thanks a lot.